Hey, what's going on everyone? So finally, Xiaomi going to launch the Mi 10 series in India. So in this video, we'll be talking about all the details of Mi 10, like the specifications, launch date and price. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. My name is Shovik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro phones are launching in India on October 15. Xiaomi India Managing Director Kumar Jain has confirmed the launch of the two phones in India soon after its global unveil last week. The Mi 10T and the Mi 10T Pro phones have an identical hole-punch display design and offer 144Hz refresh rate. While Jain has not mentioned the Mi 10 Lite, its arrival seems to have been tipped by a fresh Bluetooth SIG listing, which not only mentions the global model but also the Indian variant. Now let's talk about the Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro India launch date and expected price. Kumar Jain took to Twitter to announce the launch of the Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro phones in India. He confirmed that the Mi 10T and the Mi 10T Pro will launch in India on October 15. The event will begin at 12 p.m. noon. These phones were introduced globally last week at the price of 499 euros, roughly around 43,000 Indian rupees, and 599 euros, which is roughly 52,000 Indian rupees respectively. In India too, the phones should be priced in the same range. Jain has not mentioned the Mi 10 Lite in this post, but the Indian version of the phone was ported on Bluetooth SIG. Both the global model and the Indian model have been listed on the certification site with the model numbers of M2007J17G and M2007J171 respectively. This hints that the Mi 10T Lite may launch in India, but it could be that it arrives at a later date, in case it does not arrive on the same day as the Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro. We already know the specifications of Mi 10T 5G and Mi 10T 5G Pro, and if the Indian models match that of the global models, then the phones will run on MIUI 12 based on Android 10. The Mi 10T 5G features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with the aspect ratio of 20:9. It has a refresh rate of 144Hz and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. In comparison, the Mi 10T Pro 5G features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display. Both the phones include the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC coupled with up to 8GB of RAM. The Mi 10T comes with 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. For storing content, the Mi 10T Pro comes with 128GB and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage options. There is the triple rear camera setup on Mi 10T 5G that houses a 64-megapixel primary sensor along with 13-megapixel secondary sensor that has an ultra-wide angle lens on top. The camera setup that also includes a 5-megapixel sensor with macro lens. The triple rear camera setup of the Mi 10T Pro includes a 108-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilizations, 13-megapixel secondary sensor with an ultra-wide angle lens and 5-megapixel sensor with a macro lens. Both the phones features a 20-megapixel selfie camera sensor. Xiaomi has provided a 5000 mAh battery on the Mi 10T that supports 33-watt fast charging. The Mi 10T Pro packs a similar 5000 mAh battery but with 33-watt fast charging support. The connectivity options include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.1, GPS, RGPS, NFC, Air Blaster and USB Type-C port. There is also a side-mounted fingerprint scanner on both the phones. So that is all the details we have so far on the Mi 10 series. So please let me know what do you think about this Mi 10 series in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.